Out of body with the flow. They wanted more. I give them more.
What's up, guys? It's your boy BJ. I'm back. It's another day. Today we're going to discuss the plans for the Lowrider bike that I've been working on. If you watched episode 1 and episode 2, you seen it was just basically priming the frame. I'm getting it ready so we can do the bondo work. We're trying to come up with some ideas for a frame design. I want to do something a little crazy, not too wild, but not something that you would normally see type of thing, you know. And as far as like the paint, you know, I want to go over what color I'm actually going with. And at first I was going to go with the candy teal with like a clear or a silver flake, and then do gold parts on it. But I actually changed my mind, and I wanted to, you know, I've always wanted something candy brown. And even with like my Lowrider back here, if it ever comes time to when I have to paint that thing again, you know, I'd like to do candy root beer paint job on it with like some gold flake and some gold rims and whatnot. A lot of people tell me to stay with the candy apple red, which I will for now. That'll be a few years from now when I get to painting this thing. But anyway, back to the bike. I want to do a candy brown paint, probably do it over a silver base, and do a dark gold flake in the paint. And then I'm going to go ahead and put gold 144 spoke wheels on it, gold you know, gold forks, gold handlebars, gold fenders. Basically the whole bike's going to be gold, maybe a little bit of chrome here and there just to make it pop out real nice. And that's that for as far as what it's going to really look like. As far as slamming it and going with like an extended fork crown like you see on the trike video, I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. I'd like to have it slammed, but I still like to ride my bike, go with a regular fork and fork crown. I got some of my old wheels off of my Lowrider bike. I'm going to take those, and I got an old set of 20-inch chrome forks I'm going to set up on this frame, you know, just for shits and giggles, see what it looks like, and get an idea of what it, you know, what it could look like. So when I show you this, keep in mind this is I believe a 26-inch frame or a 24-inch frame, and it's going to have 20-inch wheels with a 20-inch extended fork on it. So let's go ahead and check that out. Here's the frame and the way it looks. Sat overnight. Had a good hanging spot right here. I don't know why I didn't think of this before, but it kept it from getting all scuffed up. So right now I'll let y'all sit back and watch me get this set up. These forks and these other wheels here, these are the old wheels off of this bike. So like I said, like a 26-inch frame with 20-inch wheels and 20-inch forks. So let's get to it. Alright guys, if you look here, it does not have tires on it, so obviously it's sitting lower than what it's really going to sit, but it'll raise up maybe an inch or so with tires on it. 20-inch 144 spoke wheels, 20-inch fork, And that's how it looks like that anyway. Already looks pretty dope like that actually, but we're far from being done. But as far as what the wheels are going to be, I'm probably going to do 26-inch wheels and do like a 26-inch fork. And I don't know what kind of crank I'm going to do yet, but everything gold, candy brown paint, gold flake, custom frame. We're thinking about doing like filling this out, coming back here, coming around here like this or something. It'll probably change after we actually get into it. Alright guys, if you stuck out with me through this whole video, you see basically what's going to happen with this bike build. You got to see it with the 20-inch wheels, 20-inch forks. It's not the parts I'm going to use for the bike. Like I said, I got other plans for as far as forks and wheels go. Just kind of get an idea of what it looks like with the 20s. But I will do 24s or 26s on forks and wheels. Well, that'll be pretty much it for this whole video. Stay tuned for more videos on this build. We got more videos coming for the trike build, more videos on the Cuddy behind me. I get back to work on that, so you guys will be able to see what's going on with that. A couple things for the Cadillac. We ain't too worried about right now. It's getting ready to be winter. I'm actually going to take the swingers off that and put the stock wheels back on. We'll have more Rocket Bunny stuff for you guys coming in the future. And if you like what you see on this channel, don't forget to watch the other videos. Check them out. Everything's good that we post up. And subscribe, hit that notification bell. It's not that hard to subscribe, guys. I mean, it helps us out, and we feel appreciated when you do that. So stay tuned, and I'll holler at you some other time. Peace.
Break it down low, take it to the ground. I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like how you see you running, do you? Like I did it, can't do it, can't get it. Oh, run it up, run it up, run it up. Weed like a rust, smoke weed like a rust. She call me Papa, she call me Papa. Tell me spurs like buckets, spurs like bucket. You know they can't stop us, Keep my mind at ease.